A plan to bring new hospitals to our area has hit a snag. Healthcare competitors are trying to block the building of it, even though Florida's Agency for Healthcare Administration, or the AHCA, approved 2 new hospitals for the region. 4 in Your Corner's Carl Fortier is in Estero right now with what happens next. Carl?
Well, Lee Health is building this medical facility near Coconut Point with the hopes of making at least part of it an inpatient hospital with over 80 beds. But with the NCH and Physicians Regional fighting the idea of having another hospital that close, inpatient services here could be delayed indefinitely. With more people constantly pouring into South Lee County, Estero leaders say a hospital has been needed here for at least a decade. After denying a previous request for one by Lee Health, Florida's Agency for Healthcare Administration recently approved 2 new hospitals in Estero, one run by Lee Health near Coconut Point, another proposed by HCA Healthcare.
There's an awful lot of demand for hospital services in Estero and Bonita Springs.
But competitors NCH and Physicians Regional, both in Collier County, are challenging the need for those hospitals. Both healthcare companies have filed petitions with AHCA to reverse their approval, claiming in part the new hospitals will cause healthcare costs in the area to rise.
What I understand is that their concern is that there will be too many hospitals in the area, and that will result in reduced patient volume in all of the hospitals. Personally, I do not agree with that judgment.
Scotty Wood of the Estero Planning Board says that during season, it can be a 30 to 40-minute drive to a hospital, either north or south of Estero and Bonita.
And that could be very serious in a life-threatening situation.
Now it's up to a hearing examiner to recommend whether or not the hospitals should go forward. That should happen in the next 6 months. Now, whether or not it can be an inpatient hospital, this Lee Health facility near Coconut Point will still open in a few months with an emergency room and many other medical services. I did reach out to NCH and Physicians Regional for comment today, but have not yet heard back. In Estero, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.